want to know fastest way to make your first $1,000 without using Clickbank, because if you are using Clickbank then it's going to be very hard and you are losing lot of money. But why? What's the problem? So to make your first $1,000 you need to choose a product to sell, and everybody tells you to just go to Clickbank, pick a product, grab affiliate link and start promoting it. Problem is you will not find high quality products that people wants to buy. Also, they don't allow you to tap into their ecosystem to make multiple commissions. Now, I am going to show you 2 ways to find high quality products. Second one is a secret network that nobody knows about, that you never heard before. If you missed it, then it's your loss. So first way is just simply search on the Google, type your niche and high ticket affiliate program. I strongly recommend you to promote high ticket affiliate programs to make big commissions like $1,000, $2,000 with just one sale. You will get list of all high ticket affiliate programs out there in the market. So how you are going to choose which one is best or not? Because if you are promoting wrong product that doesn't have any value, then you are not going to get any sale. So you need to look into 3 things while choosing any product. First is that industry must be growing exponentially. For example, e-learning industry that is growing exponentially every day. Second is that company should have solid foundation. Also, third one is the product you are going to promote that should be high in demand. Also, you can check out the reviews of that product, what people say about that product. And the best way is, if it possible, use that product, invest into that product, and if you find that product actually delivers result, and if you believe in that product, then you can start promoting that product. Now, second way is, if you don't want to search anywhere, you are into make money online niche, you want to promote world-class top offers to make big commissions, you can go to Shikiboom network. It's a private network of top offers, marketing system and sales funnels. You will get already built marketing system and funnels on this network. In just one click, you can start promoting and making money with the top offers. At the end of this video, I will tell you how you can access to the Shikiboom network. Only choosing the right and high quality product is not enough. If you are promoting the product in a wrong way, that most of the people are doing. Right way is not sending traffic to your affiliate link or just to build an email list. Right way to promote is to build your hub on the internet. You must heard about the hub business model first time. It's a brand new business model that no one knows about. Before I tell you about hub business model, you need to know why do you need a hub. You build your business on social media platform, on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You don't control those platforms, you don't own them. They can delete or ban your account anytime, and that happens with a lot of people every day. Then what you will going to do then? Suddenly everything becomes zero. Your sales become zero overnight. You need a system that you can control, that you own, so that you become independent. And that's why you need your hub on the internet. Now I am going to show you my hub. This is how a hub look like. I use social media to generate traffic to my hub. I don't depend on them. With hub, you can provide value to your audience, can connect with them, can build multiple streams of income. Also, you can earn passive income. And all of these things you are doing on your hub. Once you build your hub, you need to send traffic to your hub. Choose any social media platform and create valuable content to attract your ideal customer and send that traffic to your hub. You can start with YouTube. YouTube is a very powerful source. If you don't have any problem with making videos on YouTube, the content will remain evergreen and work forever. Even after 6 months of posting a video, you are going to get leads and sales from that video. Unlike Instagram and Facebook, where you need to post every 24 hours to generate more leads and sales. Also, you can sync your YouTube videos with your hub, so you don't need to create extra content for your hub. You are going to use your YouTube videos with many different ways. You can also send your YouTube videos to your email list and bring people back to your home, and that will increase your conversion rate 15 to 25%. I will tell you that strategy in the next step. When people come to your hub, they'll check out the free training and the product offers that you are promoting, and that's how you are going to make money. In step 5, you are going to build your email list. Your email list is your biggest asset. You own your email list. If you are not building an email list, you are not doing real business. What Russell Brunson said about email marketing, he said you can easily make $1 to $10 with every lead you got. So to build email list, you need to create a lead magnet, any checklist, free training, ebook, something valuable that you can give your audience to grab their emails. But most of the people doing, they slam their email list by sending offers and products to buy again and again, over and over, and that's why people start ignoring them or they just unsubscribe. You are not going to follow this strategy. You are going to work smartly. Whenever you post any YouTube videos, you send email to your email list and you will bring people back to your hub. Your YouTube videos already in sync with your hub. On one side you are sending traffic to YouTube videos, that will going to increase your views, and on another side on your hub you provide value to your audience, can connect with them, you can send them to multiple products, and that's how your conversion rate become 15 to 25% instead of 1 or 2%. If you want to know how you can access to Shikiboom network to make big commissions with the top product and offers, check out this video.